people. So we are at Little Italy, which is in High Tech City. And Ayush, how do you find this place?
Unexpected.
Unexpected, he's saying. But
The thing, what happened was Ayush
That's
came here
it.
because it's within 3 days, right?
Yeah.
So what happened was the people surprised him by giving this nice young cake.
Correct. Yeah,
It's a
we did a video of
And
that.
just kept the best cherries I ever in my life. The sweetest sauce.
It's
Yeah,
actually
careful.
unexpected.
Yeah,
I was
that's what.
like, who is inside my table?
Both these cousins are very lucky for me because any video that features them gets like Chutney's video got 14K views. So
I was like,
we are and this boy
who is
eating a
on my
dosa.
table?
Ayush, you want fusilli or you want penny?
So this is how it looks, and you couldn't see the metro
got a-
I
train.
like penny. I like
Yeah.
penny. I like penny.
Penny.
Yeah.
Mama, I have white pasta.
This seems like a nice
I want white
place.
pasta penny.
Yeah. And once the food comes, we'll do another short video. So on that note, thanks for watching.
And please subscribe. And please subscribe to make me finish this whole glass with a fork.
Okay.